This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable Do Not Track on the Floorp web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Floorp web browser opened up now. To enable Do Not Track, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side here, I'm going to go down toward the bottom and click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, I'm going to scroll down just a little ways to where you see the website privacy preferences. In the bottom thing here, send websites a do not track request. You want to check this box right here. That is how to enable do not track on the Floorp web browser. Thanks for watching.